August 6th, 2026. While most of the tech world was focused on AI software, Elon Musk unveiled something entirely different. A project so massive that, if built as planned, it would be 10 times larger than Tesla's Gigafactory Texas, bigger than 15 Pentagons, larger than 35 Apple Parks, and nearly 18 times the size of the Mall of America. Let that sink in for a second. Tesla's Gigafactory Texas already ranks among the largest manufacturing buildings on Earth at roughly 10 million square feet. The Pentagon spans about 6.6 million square feet. Apple's iconic headquarters covers approximately 2.8 million square feet. Yet Elon Musk's newest project would dwarf all of them. It's called Terafab, a proposed semiconductor manufacturing complex in Texas that could eventually exceed 100 million square feet. But here's the part that matters.
Terafab isn't being built to make smartphones. It isn't being built to make laptops. According to Musk, it's being built to solve what could become the biggest bottleneck facing Tesla, SpaceX, xAI, and the entire AI industry: a shortage of advanced AI chips. And if he's right, Terafab may become far more than a factory. It could become the foundation of America's next industrial revolution.
At first glance, Terafab sounds like a semiconductor story, but it's actually an AI story. Because today, Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI all share the same problem. They need more computing power than ever before. For most of Tesla's history, the company's biggest bottleneck was batteries. Today, Elon Musk believes it's chips. Not because Tesla builds cars, but because Tesla is increasingly becoming an AI company. Every Tesla on the road is essentially a rolling computer. Its cameras constantly analyze the environment, identifying vehicles, pedestrians, traffic lights, road signs, lane markings, and countless other variables in real time. That processing requires powerful onboard chips.
Now, imagine scaling that capability to millions of autonomous vehicles. Then add millions of humanoid robots. Suddenly, today's semiconductor supply chain starts looking very small. And that's exactly why Musk believes Terafab is necessary. Not to support Tesla as it exists today, but to support Tesla as he believes it will exist 10 years from now.
When investors think about Tesla, they usually think about electric vehicles. Musk thinks about something else. Two products: Robotaxis and Optimus. According to Musk, these aren't side projects. They're the future of the company. The Robotaxi vision is straightforward. Remove the driver, turn transportation into a service, allow vehicles to operate around the clock. But achieving that requires enormous computing power. A self-driving car must continuously understand its surroundings and make decisions in fractions of a second.
And then there's Optimus, which may be an even bigger challenge. Unlike a car, a humanoid robot doesn't operate in a controlled environment. It must navigate homes, warehouses, factories, offices, and public spaces. It needs to recognize objects, understand people, maintain balance, manipulate tools, and react instantly to unpredictable situations. Every robot becomes an AI system operating in the physical world, and every one of those systems needs advanced chips. That's the future Musk is designing Terafab around.
According to project announcements, Terafab will be located in Grimes County, Texas. The initial investment is reported at approximately $16.8 billion. The facility is expected to create more than 3,000 jobs. But those numbers only tell part of the story. The real goal is vertical integration. Instead of relying on multiple suppliers scattered around the world, Terafab aims to bring major stages of semiconductor manufacturing together in one ecosystem.
Logic chips, advanced packaging, high-performance AI hardware, potentially all operating inside a single massive complex. If successful, it could dramatically reduce supply chain bottlenecks. But
success is far from guaranteed. Because semiconductor manufacturing may be the hardest industrial challenge on Earth.
Building electric vehicles is difficult. Building rockets is difficult. Building cutting-edge semiconductors is a completely different level. Modern chips are manufactured at scales measured in nanometers. Individual defects invisible to the human eye can ruin entire production runs. The factories require ultra-clean environments, specialized chemicals, advanced lithography systems, and decades of accumulated manufacturing knowledge. This is why companies like TSMC, Intel, and Samsung dominate the industry. They didn't get there overnight. They spent decades learning how to consistently manufacture advanced chips at scale. And that's exactly where Terafab faces its biggest challenge. Not funding, not land, not construction, experience. To address that challenge, Tesla and SpaceX aren't trying to do everything alone. Intel has reportedly become involved in the project, and that could be one of the most important developments so far, because Intel brings something money can't buy instantly: decades of semiconductor manufacturing expertise. Operating a world-class fab isn't like running an automotive plant. It's a highly specialized discipline. And if Terafab succeeds, much of that success may depend on knowledge accumulated long before the first building is completed.
Right now, Terafab exists somewhere between vision and reality. The land is real. The investment is real. The plans are real. But the larger ambitions remain projections. And they're enormous. If Musk succeeds, Terafab could become one of the most important manufacturing facilities in the world. A factory designed not for the industrial age, but for the age of artificial intelligence.